Hello everyone and welcome to this little video. My name is Luca and today I'm gonna show you how we can buy Bitcoin within a matter of minutes. So in order to do this, we first need to go to Binance.com. It's basically the marketplace where we will buy our crypto, and you will have to register for the marketplace. It's completely free. You do have to be over 18, so if you're not 18, you should find an adult who can register for this, or just ask some friends who maybe are already registered. So you want to sign in. Obviously, I am signed in right now already. You can just create an account. It shouldn't take so long. It should take like 10 minutes or so. And then you can always access your account and you can always buy and sell crypto very easily. So if you are a first-time buyer, today I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin, very simple, within like 3 minutes or so, using your credit card. Now you can just hover here over buy crypto, and there are several options now. The easiest for me is just using my credit card. Something else you can do is you can first deposit from your bank money to your Binance account, and then you don't have these transaction fees for the for paying for the crypto. But it's like the transaction fees are, I think, 1.7% using the credit card, and this one takes a lot more time. So personally, I just use my credit card. Obviously, if you're gonna buy like I don't know, 10,000 euros or so worth of crypto, then it might be worth considering just doing a bank deposit if it's a lot cheaper. And if you're gonna save like some hundreds of euros, then it makes sense. But especially for smaller amounts in the beginning, just use your credit card and you're gonna be fine. So we're gonna click on credit card. And what we will see now, it is loading, obviously. Sometimes it takes quite long for Binance. I don't really know why. At least for me on my computer. You can write in the comments how long it takes for you. So finally we are here. It has loaded and you can select your coin. Now obviously Bitcoin is the most popular one. Guess what? You can also buy a bunch of other different coins here. But in this video we are indeed gonna focus on Bitcoin, and you can just select Bitcoin here. It's already pre-selected. And let's say you want to spend, I don't know, 200 euros on, not 2,000, 200 euros on Bitcoin. And then you can literally just put in your credit card here, and you can pay with your credit card and you will receive the Bitcoin to your Binance wallet. I'm not gonna buy Bitcoin right now because I'm already invested in crypto and I'm just here to show you how it actually works. But trust me guys, I've done this numerous times. It's really safe to use. And you will just get the Bitcoin to your wallet. You can access this here by just going to wallet and then just click overview, and there we will find our Bitcoin. And now the question will be, how do we withdraw the Bitcoin to our actual wallet? Because I do not recommend you to keep them on Binance. Binance is a marketplace for crypto, and it's going to be a lot unsafer to store your Bitcoin there instead of having it even on your Trustwallet on your phone. So this is a lot more secure. I definitely recommend you to download Trustwallet. Then you can open, it looks like this, Trustwallet. You can just open Trustwallet and you can store all your crypto there. So how does this work now? You will see then your balance. It takes some minutes for your Bitcoin to arrive to your wallet, but you will see your balance here, and then you just want to click withdraw, and then you'll have this option which says crypto. And while this is loading, you can go to Trustwallet, and you can scroll down to Bitcoin. It will already be there. You just click on it and you want to click receive, in the Trustwallet app. And then you see this barcode with this address down there, and you want to copy out this address. You can literally just click copy down there and you can send it to yourself. You want to copy this address and then you paste it in here for the recipient's BTC address, which will be our address in the end. And then you paste in the address here. You select a network. I would recommend you to just go with Bitcoin BTC. Yes, for Bitcoin the transaction fees are quite pricey. Like if you buy any other coin, it's going to normally be like $1 or $2. Now we have $31. This is because Bitcoin is just no comparison to any other coin. I've never withdrawn Bitcoin using Binance Chain or Binance Smart Chain. I normally do this just if I buy BNB or Smart Chain. and I've not used the Ethereum network either. So I personally would just use the Bitcoin network, because to be honest, I'm not sure whether it works even with the smart chain network. Just select the Bitcoin network, you're going to be safest there. And if you want to invest properly into Bitcoin, then who cares about $31, because what you're going to make is a lot more than $31. And then you can just click max. And for me, obviously, it says 0.000 because I didn't actually buy Bitcoin right now. And then you can just click submit. And after some minutes, you can go to your Trustwallet and you will see that the coins have arrived there. And Trustwallet is quite a safe place to store your coins. This is a lot safer than leaving them on Binance. So in this sense, I think it's definitely worth paying the transaction fees and not leaving your coins on Binance. Yeah, and this is how you buy Bitcoin, or essentially any other coin as well, using Binance. I really hope you found some value in this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe my channel, because I'll be posting a lot more crypto tutorials in the future. I have already uploaded quite a few. My name is Luca, I'm the German travel guy, and you can join me on my mission to visit every country on the planet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.